Uh, what's good? What's good? Wait a minute. What is going on here? Hold on. Turn this off. JT, what is going on with you, man? Today is Sunday. Can't be bumping no damn rap music. What's going on out there, man? How is everybody doing? Tech Talk freaking Sunday. That's right, man. Y'all peeped the title. I'm starting to get some organization in this thing, all right? It's a shame I've been doing this long and I'm still not quite organized. What I mean by organized is a topic. Yeah, pretty much when you go live stream for a freaking hour, you normally typically supposed to have a topic in mind. Here recently, lately, guys, we just been whatever. Let's just talk. Let's just mingle. Today is Sunday. I don't know if y'all football team won. Some of y'all might be a little sad. Yeah, that's understandable. I get it. If your team lost, I apologize. All right, who's the last one? I need a mic check. Who's the last one to respond? Hey, Doc, 69. Uncle Mark just touched down. Uncle Mark is the last one. Can you hear me, Uncle Mark? You was the last one, made a comment. No, you wasn't. KJ was. Okay, I misspoke. Whoever was the last one, I need to know, is my audio coming through? I hate to. Let's talk about Snap-on versus Matco Tools. KJ, that is a damn good topic. Okay, however, hear you. Thank you, Mark. I hear you, but that topic is preserved for one guy, Mr. Name Fluffy Mexicanic. He the tool guy that have those type of debate. I'm thinking he doing his thing Tuesday, one day this week. If he come on, he'll announce when he coming on. But that's the guy you want to have a tool debate with. I know I'm semi-pro-ish, but I don't jump on a tool truck like that like I should. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a all-the-way Harbor Freight type guy or Northern guy. However, I'm not an all-the-way tool truck guy either. So you don't want to talk tools with me because you know what I'm saying? Get with a CP Addict or whatever his damn name. The tool addict, the crazy dude, okay? The crazy dude, Fluffy Mexicanic, all them tool guys, whoever here talk about tools, them the ones you need to be talking about. JT, I know my limits, okay? I couldn't tell you what the latest and greatest tools is on the Matco truck. I have no freaking idea. Guys, I am not getting behind messing around with y'all. I'm tired of getting behind, so we're going to start off early. And like I say, the title, we're going to jump into some car insurance talk, guys. There's some things y'all don't know about car insurance that you might want to look into that can actually save you money. Now, I'm not sponsored yet, okay? That's why I'm pushing for numbers, okay? I told y'all, with numbers comes sponsorships. When these guys is trying to sell product, get on YouTube and look for somebody to help sell their product or whatever. They look at numbers, okay? They look at subscribers. They look at likes and things like that. How many people can this guy reach and potentially sell a product? Now, the thing with me, I have a problem selling junk. Okay, yeah, you just can't give me no junky ass jump box and tell me, here you go, JT, get on YouTube and make a glorious video praising our piece of shit jump box. No, man, it's gotta be, I ain't finna get in that. Let me catch up right quick and then we're gonna jump straight into this thing, man. Ain't no sense wasting time. Uncle Mark, no, Turbo Tom. I got to get used to that. I don't know what's really turbo-ish about Tom, but that's his new name. I think Tom Cook was pretty common, okay? In fact, he couldn't even buy it on the .com. Yeah, Tom Cook is just, it's a billion freaking Tom Cooks out there. So my man Tom Cook had the bright idea to change his name to Turbo Tom 416. I have no earthly idea what the hell that means, but that is his new name. So we will respect that and refer to him as one Mr. Turbo Tom 416. How you doing, my friend? Thanks for jumping on, man. Hey, look at this, 69 Dart, man. What's going on, man? Let me catch up real quick. Hey, Dr. R. Hot Rod Rehab. Good evening, JT. Inviting you to by Monday Night Live. I am just a few hours away from, hey, that is what's up. What is it? Is it still 4,000? I think. I don't know. I don't know what the specs is now, but they added some more stuff in there that I'm sure you done got by those hurdles. But Monday Night Live stream, that's tomorrow. What am I doing tomorrow? I will be here editing videos, which means I will be in front of a computer. Damn, I think somebody go live tomorrow too. Hey man, I got 2 monitors. I'm a multi freaking tasker, meaning I can do more than one thing at one time. Okay. That will very few hours away from that's what's up, Dr. Art. I have no problem with that. If I'm in front of a computer or I got my phone handy, which I always do. Yes. And by the way, congratulations, my friend. Okay. Yes. Congratulations. That is what's up, man. Yes, my dude, Dr. Art. Guys, let me catch up real quick. KJ, what's going on, my dude? OCD in the building. OCD, what is going on, man? How are you, man? Yes, I appreciate you guys. Let's just talk. I appreciate you guys jumping on, peeping out the Nissan. Yeah, man, Cody, you saw that, man? I went up there, man. Yeah, hey, man, Nissan they ain't like the Chrysler stuff, man. I don't know about Nissan dealership. That was pretty cool, though. One guy was like, I like, damn, what do you want? What's up, man? You want to fight? What's up? You want a buck? Say something. Oh, he's like, man, I recognize you, man. Yeah. What's up, man? Yeah, man. Keep that on the low, man. I don't want the popos trying to scope me out and all that good stuff. But I like, yeah, a dude named Fluffy Mexicanic? That dude out of Texas? They don't, those mechanics in there. How can I put that? I talked to some off camera and on camera. I don't, you don't know if people want to be on camera or not. So, but I have my phone right here, guys, in my pocket on record. Whatever it captured. I'm sorry. You just got captured if you get captured. Okay, none of those guys in there are computer. They don't do YouTube and all that. Those Nissan guys, they funny like that. They be acting funny. I mean, real funny, man. I don't know what it is with Nissan mechanics. They just, all of them, they just act funny, man. They funny like that. But yeah, that was pretty cool to me. I went in there. Oh my goodness. It's Fluffy here. What's up, man? Yo, what's going on, my dude? Fluffy Mexicanic in the building, y'all. Fluff, what the hell is wrong with y'all, man? Why do y'all CVT fluid cost $20-something freaking a quart? Dude, I'm like, he saw I had a company uniform on. He gave me the company discount. Okay, but ouch. Let me move on. Let's talk about Snap-on versus. Yeah, we're gonna hold that conversation for another channel. Is he turning the dark side? Wait. Peeping out the Jeep. No, man, I ain't going over to no Nissan. What are you talking about, man? Are you kidding me? Yep, from Uncle Mark. Yo, what's up, Fluff? Man, y'all need to work on that. The price of that fluid, man. That's not good. Easy does it in the building. What's popping? Easy does it. How are you, my dude? What's going on, man? Smash that like. But Rocks Rolls in the building. Y'all heard what Rock said. Hey, Rock, stay tuned. We're gonna talk about some insurance, Rock. So you probably paying too much, Rocks, for your minivan with the button that you push to make the transmission go crazy. Yeah. I can't forget the name. I forgot the name of that damn button, but do what Rock said, y'all. Smash that like button. It sounds good. Thank you, Michael J. That's what's up. Audio's Cody in the building. Let me catch up real quick. Damn, I get behind quick. We hear you. All right. Regard. I have differential humming on my 2016. I changed the diff with uses 1-3 times. All of them why, but in different speed. Can I contact you about the issue, bro? I have a way I can be contacted in the description. Okay. Yeah. In every video in the description section, there's a way to get in contact with me. Email, phone, text. I mean, but there are some stipulations. I had no choice but to do that, guys. So it's not that I was being a butthole or whatever, but it was too overwhelming. So by implementing this, I was able to weed out the serious from the clowns. Okay. Yeah. Anybody, let me call you, man. See what's up, man. What's up, man? What you drinking out? I don't have time to play like that. So if you serious and invest in that particular incident, you will be more serious. So I had no choice but to implement that. Okay. And it worked. I weeded out all the clowns. And there was a freaking bunch of freaking clowns. Just want to call and just, hey, JT, man, what's up, man? What you doing? What you working on now? What the? We're not going to do this. We're not. But yeah, read the description, man. You can get in touch with me. What up, though? Detroit in the building. Richie. What's going on, man? Detroit. Did y'all win today, Rich? Did the Detroit Lions pull off an upset? I don't know. I ain't been watching. I ain't paying attention. All right. Gear Wrench has some good ratchets. Gear Wrench. OCD. Everybody seem to think the tool truck is the way to go. I think due to the fact that the tool truck is convenient, that's why they sell the most tools. See, Gear Wrench and all them other places down the street, Hell, even Lowe's got the basics. I mean, a lot of places you got to go get the tools. You would tend to buy the tool if it's right there in your face. It's just like cars. That's why dealerships like to keep a inventory, a huge inventory, because the last thing they need is a customer to walk out of that door because you don't have an orange freaking Dodge Challenger. Wait a minute, that is crazy. You ain't got my orange Challenger? All right, don't worry. Don't even worry about it. Ain't none out there? You got 100 Challenger. Ain't none orange out there? It's okay. I'll be back. I promise you, I'll be back. Just give me a minute or two. Let me go regroup. I'll be back. You'll never see that freaking dude again. So inventory is key. Same with tool truck. They convenient. $20 to change coil, spark plug, still getting P0305, 0302. Oh, cross banks on top of that. Wait a minute. What is this? A Hemi or a freaking Pentastar? Pentastar is a V6. A Hemi is a V8. Does that matter? It could. Okay. Yeah, hey man, Gilbert. I see by this little orange thing on here, you are a subscriber, which means you, my friend, have my undivided attention. Okay? Yes. I love talking to subscribers. There's some people that ask me stuff and just refuse to do. You know what? I'm finna regroup. Bringing up that subject and that topic. Let me share this freaking screen right quick. No, I got to get through this. This ain't gonna work. Share a screen. I'm gonna show y'all something. I know y'all get tired of me doing this, but I'm sorry. It's just no. That ain't what I want. I want to show you your channel. Okay, we're gonna talk about insurance. I don't want to do that. Okay. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold the freaking on. Okay. I hear somebody fussing in the background. Hold on. I want to show y'all something because this bothers me ever so often. Okay. Ooh, how did I do that? I don't even know what I just did. I'll make sure I don't leave off where I left. Guys. Hey, Tim uploaded the video. Okay, let me see who's working out there first. Who's working and who's not working? Okay, why don't I see? Look, guys, this is my notification. Y'all know I'm subscribed to a bunch of people. Tim uploaded a video he uploaded to the Rideshare Hub. This guy right here asking me questions. I couldn't find one. So this guy right here, his PT Cruiser. So he having problems with his PT Cruiser. And he's another one. But hey, this guy here is always in my notification. This is one busy dude. This dude worked too damn hard, man. I can't keep up with this guy, man. Every time, actually, he responded to a comment that I made, but still, every time I look at my comment section, he's up to something. Okay, look at it now. How people are stealing Hellcats. Okay, I put up that stolen recovery video, and everybody seemed to think Dodge is junk just because they can be stolen. I don't understand that. Tips just cleaning up my head. Okay, not him. I want to bring something to y'all attention because somebody in here may be watching and not be aware of this. Okay, this guy right here, Eddie Pullman. Okay, I have no idea who the freak Eddie Pullman is, but Eddie, a cool dude, seemed like, right? You think he have a little? All right, let's get on to Eddie. I had a shop put on a new fuel pump and start a relay yesterday. Truck ran fine the rest of the day. This morning it had a hard time starting, just like before. I put it in the shop for any thoughts. I just spent $1,368. $1,368 I just spent. JT, you have any thoughts on this? You know me. Dang, man, that's messed up, dog. What kind of truck is this? Hold on. Wait a minute. By the way, also, are you subscribed to the channel? Simple question, right? Y'all know where this is going, right? All right, here's his response. I will subscribe, but I saw the posts were older, so I didn't. Oh, and it's a 2011 Ram 1500. Now, notice, you don't see a response coming from me after this. This is a freaking 9 hours ago. Why is it so freaking hard to get the point or the hint? Guys, the subscriber button is a big-ass red button. All you gotta do is click it. It takes no effort at all. It takes no going out of your way to do. This is the wrong answer, my dude. You just spent $1,300. A shop got it wrong. I don't understand this. I was going to subscribe, but I saw the posts were a little older, so I didn't. What the? I almost cussed. The day is freaking Sunday and I'm monetized. I don't want to get demonetized over clowns like this. Man, I got a million freaking questions on my timeline from subscribers I'm about to get to. Okay? You got this right in the bag. I know everything you talking about, my dude. This is a 2011 Ram 1500. I know everything about those trucks. Okay? I seen this problem a gazillion times. I can help whoever the hell mechanic working on it. I can at least put them in the right direction. You lost me by this dumbass comment. What the hell is this? Oh my God. Oh, I gotta stop. My mama, I had to talk to my mama. She told me to stop. Mama, daddy, if y'all listening, my daddy probably listen. Daddy, don't tell mama nothing. I promised my mama I would tone the rhetoric down. But this foolishness has got to stop. I don't understand the common sense that people, again, dude, $1,300 is a lot of money for them to get wrong. Sure, they're obligated to recheck it and find out what happened. But in the meantime, you got a knucklehead dude on YouTube that's just freaking running his mouth, telling secrets and talking so damn much, probably putting shops. I hope none of these, let me stop. But he talked too damn much, and he's just talking and helping people out because he's a nice guy, and all you got to do is click that little red freaking button. And you said here, you have the audacity to get back online and comment, I will subscribe, but I saw the posts were older, so I didn't. Now, I have a 2011 truck. What the hell you think is my problem? And you expect me to return comment on that? I started to pull a Tim on this dude and block his ass. But I'm not a blocker or a hater. Now, got that off my chest. I have to get this off my chest because I promise y'all, this is no joke. I'll be like scratching my head like, oh my God, are you serious? Oh, did he really just say this? I'm done. Now, where were we? Let me get out of here. This ain't gonna work. We're not going here today. All right. I don't even know why I left off. And then change it. Okay. I think I passed somebody. Smash that like button. What did I leave off, guys? Audio is great. Regard differential helmet chips. Change the diff fluid 3 times. All of them whine, but I guess I left off right here. I don't know. Audio is great. We hear you. All right. What the hell is your name, dude? I can't even. My dude, my guy. Regard. I have differential. Oh, okay. We did that one already. Yeah. Contact me. Okay. Let's. Yes, Tom. This is a damn good. OCD. Damn good question. Just checking in. God bless you and your gift for fixing. Alvin Toby was popping. God dang it! I just realized I'm out of uniform, guys. It's right here though. My ASC shirt. I was at the gym. Get one in. Yeah. I'm JT the car guy. This is not JT the exercise freak or the muscle head or whatever. I'm really JT the car guy. Don't let the muscles fool y'all right now. I'm really a mechanic. See, there's still some oil under my nails. I can't get it all out for some reason. Scrub, and scrub. Oil just stay there. Look at that, a little bit right there from yesterday. It don't matter how much scrubbing and shower and bath, some of that stuff. That's that good old Chrysler. No, that's from that damn Nissan. Fluffy still in here. When I did that work on that Nissan car, that Nissan got some of that permanent oil on their stuff, and it just stays on you. I don't know. But I got to get on with this show, man. If this is a show. Guys, if you didn't notice, I put a lot of humor in this stuff. I clown because I'm really stuck. I don't know how a mechanic live stream is supposed to go, so I learn as I go. I'm being myself. This is really who I am. I don't know. Is that good or bad? But whatever. Checking in. God bless. Thank you, Alvin. Thank you. We was about to go somewhere. I forgot. Can't wait to see Snap on truck. Have fun on that, man. Yes, my guy was popping, man. Does anyone make little steel wedge shims that I can use to separate an engine and transmission without all the hassle? It is a hassle on some cars. Oh my goodness, those ones that have been married together forever. Pry. Just to find out you didn't get all the bolts out. I sure hope that ain't your problem, Mr. David. Please make sure you remove all the bolts, and sometime it should come right out. But I don't know of such a tool or shims or anything like that. Breathing constantly. Dark man. Greg Lopez, what's going on, man? We gonna talk about insurance, guys. Denise, how are you, my friend? What's popping? All right, what up, though? Yes, my guy, Richie Rich. What's going on, man? I like Turbo Tom. Turbo Tom. It do got a little sass to it, don't it? Okay, like it got a little speed to it, don't it? Turbo, he got a turbo on it now. This show crazy, man. Sometimes good stuff, man. I've been thinking again. What you thinking about, my guy? Share some of your thoughts with us, man. This is hey, whatever float. Guys, I'm gonna open this thing back up one day, probably next week. All right, remember last time I just gave out the link, and anybody with a camera or cell phone, let's just meet and greet is what they call it. So one day next week or 2 weeks from now, we're gonna do so. I would love to meet and greet some of y'all from a video standpoint. All right. Yes, Rox Rose got away from me last time. I don't think she was on. And Evelyn Rodriguez, they all got away from me. I was looking forward to meeting them gals, but Rox didn't even log on that day. She knew I was coming for her. And Hodges, Dee Hodges. Okay, and it's another one. I can't think of their name. But yeah, we're gonna open this thing up next week, man. Do some meet and greet, man. I'm trying to find some small metal shims when engine and transmission. I'm having a hard time separating anyone seen. I'm sorry, my dude. I have not. If anybody has, speak up. Okay, hold up. Some other dude seen me from out there. Dude, man, this is the internet. Did you know WWW stand for World Wide Web, meaning the globe, the whole world can see you, Fluff. Okay, there's people over in Russia going, yeah, that dude, Fluffy Mexican. I love that guy. He's one cool dude. No, that's not Russian. Jamaican. Yeah, man, I know Fluffy. I love Fluffy, man. He is one cool guy. Is that Jamaican? I don't know if that's a Jamaican accent. I'm trying to find. Yeah, you know where this is going. It's World Wide Web, man. Meaning we got a chance to be, because it's the best fluid. Stop. Did I tell you Chrysler discontinued the interior blower fan motor and the fuel filter from there? Because, man, it's a freaking 95. Uncle Mark, let it go. No, don't let it go. Hang on to it. You just got to get aftermarket parts from now. 95, man. Oh my goodness, 95? We can't even get parts for 06 PT Cruise anymore. And you crying about a 95? Ooh. Yeah, a lot of this stuff been discontinued, man. They don't see no money being made in making parts for older cars because they're thinking they pull apart now. But that's interesting. Uncle Mark, keep that Intrepid on the road for as long as you can. I just bought a 4.2 gallon ATL for $30. Damn. David? Really? That's what's up. Them damn things from Nissan was like $20 20-something bucks a piece. I did the job, guys. I'm gonna upload the video of me doing the service. I'm gonna kind of get a little creative with it. Y'all know how Scotty do. Even if it ain't what he talking about, even if it ain't what the title. So look forward to this. I might say something like how to make your Nissan CVT transmission last forever. I mean, I'm talking forever, long time. Just do this. And it's true to an extent. A transmission service, I say this all the time, it will help prolong the life of your transmission. So now when you see a title that say how to make your transmission last forever, yes, that is a bit over exaggeration. But the hint we're trying to give out is do this and you can help it last forever. And the funny thing about it, I'm doing it by default. I'm doing it because she crying like as if that's leaking. I mean, it's not drip, drip, drip. Fluff, she took her car to a Nissan dealer to get inspected. They told her she need like $1,000 worth of work. Both control arms. The bushings, they blame the bushings for writing up estimates for control arm. Now, y'all know me. I'm not going to knock another dealer or knock nobody's estimate. I get it. Upsells. We are there to upsell work. But when I got the car in the air and look, yeah, I see a few cracks in the bushing, but not enough to warrant replacement. But I still get it and understand. So I told her to calm down, calm down. You don't need all of that yet. You will in the future. Yes, they are wearing. Okay, how many miles was on that car? I can't remember. They told her she needed a lot of stuff. She come crying. Calm down. The little leak. I mean, she thought it was the end of the world because the pan had black fluid on it. I said, no, I'm going to do a service on it. This is a good time to get a service anyway. So, yeah, we'll talk about that on the video. All right, I gotta move on, man. The story behind the name. Tom's finna explain Turbo Tom 416. Guys, this should be good. This should be interesting. Okay. All right. Let's find out what the hell this means. Okay, because Tom be tripping. All right. Here's the story. In 1987, I ordered my Shadow Turbo, and all the neighborhood kids gave me the name Turbo Tom, and the 416 is my P.O. Box number. Makes sense. Okay, that explains it. All right, thank you, Tom, for that explanation. Shadow Turbo must have been fun. The last dual stage turbo cars. Well, guys, I gotta get a bit cool. I gotta get on with this title, man. For people call me a clickbaiter. All right, you name your video tools, insurance, and you didn't even talk about it. Wait a minute. Some companies make Gear Wrench and Harbor Freight tools now. Yeah, man. I can't go around saying I shop at Harbor Freight, even though I do and I love it. I can't let those words come out of my mouth because people, I get drilled in the comments for trying to save money. It's like, you call yourself a professional and you shopping at Harbor Freight? No, man, I'm frugal. Okay. The little stuff, there's some tools that don't have to be a pro level. Okay. Yes. Lights, overhead lights that you can look and see, hang lights on the hood. They don't have to come off the Mako truck. I mean, there's some things you can get. When you say insurance, you're talking extended. No, man. Oh, which one are you talking about? No. I gotta find a better way to word that stuff. Okay. Aftermarket insurance warranty company. I've been saying insurance, and that ain't the first time I've been asked that. What do you mean by insurance? And auto insurance kick in like when you hit something in the road and bend the cradle. A lot of auto insurance companies will pay for that cradle replacement if you got full coverage, I guess. But I got to find a better way saying fuel pump. Too many misfires across the board, Gilbert. Yeah, multiple cylinder misfire. Fuel pump could affect that. The tool truck don't always sell the best tools. Check out tool reviews from Project Farm. I guess y'all heard that. Love the show. Keep up the great work. Hit the like button. Hey, Professor Mike, that's what's up. Thank you. $2013 316. Have a good compression. Gilbert, I forgot what the hell we was talking about. But I need to, okay. Gilbert. Change coils, spark plugs, still getting across two banks. But who's that mentioned fuel pump? Fuel pump will affect what adaptive memory, fuel trim, things like that. Do you have a scan tool or a code reader? Okay. I need to know what your adaptive fuel trim level is at. If you're in the high plus, I want to say like plus 20 or higher, yes, your computer is compensating for low fuel pressure. Now, guys, keep in mind, in 2013, there is no fuel pressure sensor on this car. There's nothing the computer can use as reference to what the fuel pressure is. Some of the newer cars now have a fuel pressure sensor that will tell the computer the fuel pressure. All right. Back in the past, that wasn't a smart thing to do because of risk, danger, fire risk. If you tie a fuel pressure sensor into a fuel rail, there's a chance it can leak and cause a fire. So they never did that. However, there are other ways you can come to the conclusion that you are lacking fuel pressure. And things like adaptive memory or fuel trim can be telltale signs to that issue. Okay. I have a general rule for me personally. Anything in the high pluses, you're starving for fuel. I used to diagnose fuel pumps that way. They come in all the time. The old minivans come in all the time. No codes. Remember, the computer do not monitor fuel pressure, so you will never get a fault code to say fuel pump bad. It's what y'all like to call it, okay? Or fuel pump pressure low. You will never get that code because there is no such code, because there is no way to monitor fuel pressure. Again, like I say, however, you got to put your thinking cap on. Look at fuel trim and things like that. Because if you're lacking in fuel pressure, the computer will start compensating for that loss of fuel pressure or that lack of by dumping more fuel through the injectors because it's running lean all of a sudden. Okay, so all of that stuff had to be dissected from the data input. That's why a scan tool with some data on it helps with diagnosing stuff like this. Okay. Now, misfire typically, the crank sensor monitors the misfire or can tell the computer which cylinder misfire. Is your car actually running bad, or are you just getting these codes? Still P codes charge. Change coil, spark plug, still getting these codes. P030005. Misfiring 5, misfiring 2. You need to know, you need to look at some data, man. What else have you done? Have you changed the cat converter? Have you changed oil filter adapter housing? Have you changed anything? What else? Give me some more history. What else have been done on it? Because you might have to backtrack the things that have been done. What up, JT? Ooh, I done got lost. Okay, yeah, this is where I left off. So yeah, what else? What else have you done, my dude? 17 drivers, my transmission coming to a stop. RPM shoots up, then back down. You, my friend, have some internal issue, and I'm almost certain you have a code in the TCM, which is the PCM on a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Get that thing scanned, man. Don't think there is nothing in the computer just because your check engine light is not on. These computers have a way of storing fault codes in the memory somewhere back there that you literally have to go and get. Scan it. Get scan it and base your diagnosis, or the mechanic gonna do this anyway. Base his diagnosis around that fault code. All right. What state are you in? Okay, yeah, for that 300. I'm having issues with my RX 300. I can't separate the transmission from the engine. If all the bell housing bolts are loose, okay, what kind of car it is? Everything around and all the torque converter bolts are loose. What other reason why will that transmission not separate from the? Maybe there's one more bolt on there you don't know of or can see or feel around, or it just simply been on there so long it's tight. If that's the case, it's time to start prying. Big ass pry bar, it's gonna pop loose. It has no choice if you start prying, trying to separate the two. You gotta get some wiggle room in there, get some manpower in there. If you're 100% sure all the bell housing bolts are off, make sure that's the case first. All right, who's that? David? Dodge is junk because it's Mopar. Stop it. Who's that? David? That's not true, y'all. Don't listen to David. Yes, you heard what Rox had said. Get him, Rox. He talking smack about the minivans. All right, Toyota or nothing for me. Oh, David has it. I mean, everybody got their preference, man. Toyota. David is for Toyota. Hey, you entitled to your likes. Okay, yeah. Everybody have their model, their make and model that they are fond of. David, that is what's up, man. Take transmission fluid with the 62 TE trans dipstick found on Amazon. Oh yeah. Yeah, those little, yes. Or whip out your or a dipstick, clean it up and stick it down there. You can at least see if you got fluid in it. I don't know. That damn thing go all the way down. Yeah, I think it do. Need some cheese. Hey, easy. I ain't crying. It ain't like I'm crying. I'm just saying, dog, the easiest thing in the world to do is to click a little red button. Now, I done lost communication with this guy because I don't want to talk to him, right? What do we have to talk about? You want to show me the decency to even click subscribe? You want to ask me how to save or how you may have wasted $1,600? And what's crazy is this fix is simple. Subscribers over non-subscribers. I have too many subscribers with questions, Uncle Mark, in the comment section. I'm still working on those. When I finally get through with those, I will move over. Yeah. But yeah, I get borderline offended because I can't grasp the understanding behind it. Be easy, my G. Don't worry about it, bro. 10J. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Thanks for jumping on, man. What's the best way to prime new engine? What oil to use, and do you use zinc? No, I do not use zinc. I don't want to sound unprofessional, but I do not put a lot of thinking into a new engine. I mean, I put the oil in it. I disable the ignition system, turn it over, so the oil pump would get me some fluid up there. If this is a new engine, the chances of the oil pump being new is great, which meaning it should start working right away, uh, distributing the oil throughout its needed channel. So, you know, fire it up without it being able to start in it so it can circulate and then go from there. That was a big problem back in the day, my guy. Yeah, a lot of mechanics don't put a lot of thinking into that. Again, I don't want to sound unprofessional, but there are some things mechanics don't do, guys. I mean, let's keep it real. I mean, but you know, it's not meant for TV or spoke about. Okay, yeah. So, my dude, my Russian buddy that I work with down on the end. Oh my God, I see him do some of the. He's a damn good mechanic and works good, work great. No Holly, no comebacks. Know his stuff. Do everything right. You don't do everything right. Everything turn out right. And he one of the reckless guys I know. So, what the hell? So either a lot of things we've been told or accustomed to, it's a bunch of overkill. You know what I'm saying? Sure, you should torque freaking head bolts down after you put a head on. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying a lot of stuff we put so much thinking into. I just got through arguing with this guy on that freaking brake caliper that my trainee had left hanging. I picked the caliper up and set it on top of the control arm. A dip control arm, mind you. I set it up there in the meantime while I tell him why you shouldn't leave it hanging and let's go get a hook. This guy wore me out. Don't never set it on top of the control arm or it could fall. I'm like, clown, how the hell that caliper gonna jump up out of that hole and just magically fall? I'm coming up out of where JT set me and I'm just gonna fall and break the line. How is that even possible? We went back and forth. Dude, I'm like, I got this, man. Make you a video and explain to your subscribers why you shouldn't set a caliper on top of a control arm. But on this video, I'm good. I got it under control. We went back and forth over the simplest stuff, man. So, I be getting headaches, man. You know me. I'm one of those big guys that comments move algorithm. So I can't let you get the last word, player. I'm sorry. I got to return. Look at all the comments where we're going back and forth. I'm the last one. No, you're not going to not going to out shit talk me on my, damn, did I just, no. Damn, how did I get on that? No, I do not use zinc. Ira, I'm sorry. I don't know how they went left field. Yes, we're gonna have to make a Sunday for no raise. Just I apologize, guys. That's $40. That is what you should do. Let me stop, man. Push the button. Michael J, what's up, man? Guys, let's go talk about insurance before I get accused of what they call it, clickbait. You name your video insurance. You ain't even talked about it yet. Do you ever get stopped in public with random car questions? If I got this damn shirt on, and they don't even look hard, it just looked like an ASC, right? It's not ASC. It's freaking YouTube Master Auto Technician. Some wise guy had the bright idea to copy the ASC patch, but he put the YouTube logo on it. I got like 5 of them from him and put them on some of my shirts. Did people see that? Oh, he ASC. Like, do that say damn ASC? Look at that. Look at that. OCD, man. Why you had to do me like that, man? Not enough orange scrub in the world to get that out. You talking about that Nissan oil? Yes. Let me go, man. What's up, John SP? How are you, my dude, man? I'm ready for you to open up the stream. Yes. Let's do it next week. What's going on next week? I don't know. You know, I ain't got no organization. Y'all want to do it on a Sunday or Thursday? I'm gonna do one of those poll things. That's how you generate some interest. I'm gonna do one. Good idea, Fluff. I'm gonna do one of those poll things. Which day should I open up for meet and greet? So fire up your camera. If you're gonna use a freaking phone, at least set it on the stand where it won't be moving. One guy, hey JT, what's up, man? I'm Mike Jones from Automotive Service. How you doing, Mike? You moving, man? Put the damn thing on the tripod, man. What's up? Glad to meet you, man. Yeah, I'm gonna do a stream. I'm gonna do a poll thing, man. I need to bust out my makeup. Rocks, don't go anywhere. Rocks, we're finna talk about insurance. JT, a hot tub would clean that horse. Really? A hot tub. Yeah, it's deep in the pores. I think it's inside. It's inside my bloodstream. Maybe I hope not. Cause Nissan, how'd you get in there? I don't want no Nissan oil inside my bloodstream. No, it may some way encrypt my mind into thinking I should go work for Nissan. And no, that's not what I want to do. No, I'm Chrysler. I'm Mopar till I die. I'm Mopar for life. How often you get on the tech? No, man. Last time I was in school, they pushed that. They said a lot of guys are not participating, and a lot of guys are, but it's the same guys. And what's really weird, OCD, they say there's a wealth of information because it's tech to tech. Tech's okay with telling some of the secrets and stuff, but just like are you with the thing on Facebook, OCD? Facebook had got a form where all the text, and you can tell it's all text because we got to give our SID number in order to get in. I'm in that little group and I get all the little information so we can talk freely in there, but you still can't talk freely. Like one guy brought up the fact you can't replace a head or remove a head on a Pentastar on bank one without taking the timing cover off. And so here go all the other guys. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. And one guy came in there, shut up. So nothing is open to you can't be freely on none of them because they seem to think time advisors are in there and they would drop the time if they figure out that you find out a way to cheat the time. All right. That's why I try to refrain from recording or speaking about a lot of shortcuts. I don't know. I'm not talking about it. You may see me do some, but you ain't gonna see me tell you just this how you do it, man. Yeah, because some of those cars still under warranty. And these companies be trying to drop the time because you found a better way to do it. No, I need to OCD. Really do, man. But a fuel filter that fits a ton of stuff. Yeah. Interesting. Guys, when I hit 100K, let's set up a legit meet and greet. Yes, take a trip. I'll take a trip to Texas. In fact, I got Kim folks down there. So the next time I go home, yes, me and Fluff, we got to have cameras everywhere. We got to make this a Broadway event. Fluffy meets JT the car guy in real time life. Had the cameras rolling. Me and Fluffy get out of the car. We come dap each other up. What's up, man? What's up, man? How you doing, man? What's up, man? What's popping, man? And Fluff, I want you to teach me some of that, that other language stuff. Because my buddies at the job, they only know the bad stuff. They only teach me they only teach me the bad stuff that can get me slapped. I want to know some good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so you're going to have to learn me some of that. I'm tired of just being able to talk English. I want to know some other stuff. Yes. Guys, I got to go, man. Baby, the CVT, make it last. Yeah, that's what I said, man. Ruli in the building. How to make a Nissan CVT last forever. Just leave it parked. Oh, Ruli, stop, man. We got a 9-speed with a few problems, too. So, in fact, you got one in your van. So, be careful what you say. Ruli, stop, man. Be nice, Ruli. Once you lower the engine and transmission, a little pry back should separate. Yeah. But like my man said, make sure all the bolts are off. It seems like you always forget. It do. I forgot. I'm a transmission pan. Bam, bam, bam. What the hell is wrong with this pan? Got my finger went around. Oh, shit, one still right there. Wait a minute. I done cocked that damn pan and made that pan look like this now. All because I forgot one. All right. I'm not messing around with y'all no more. We going over to, let's do this. I got to remember where I left off at. Hey. All right. I'm taking me out because I have to put on lame glasses that I don't want nobody to see me in because y'all be acting funny when y'all see your boy in some glasses. All right. Motor Biscuits. I trust it. And we're going to do this, guys. We're going to talk. Hey, there it is right here. Renewing your insurance policy early could save you money. Now, that's part of the reason I want to talk, but let's go here. Let me make this a little bigger for viewing purposes. Renewing your insurance policy early could save you on car insurance. That's not what I'm concerned with. First of all, let me say this, guys. If you guys or you have spouses or friends or anybody else in the workforce and you are now working from home because of the pandemic, I know it's dying down now, but it's still in place. Guys, let me get back on. There are there are things put in place for you to save money that we are not utilizing. Okay. If you work from home, that means you're not doing as much driving as you was when you was working at the office. Maybe not you, but maybe your spouse. There ain't too many mechanics working from home, right? You got to go to the shop. But I'm talking about your significant others or people you know, a family member. Here's the thing you can do. I witnessed this firsthand. I had my daughter do this. She worked from home now. She don't have to drive, fight traffic. Oh my God, all the traffic going. Your insurance is accommodating your risk at getting to work. If there's no more risk, the price should not be the same. All right. So she got this offer from another company. I'll just throw out a random name. She got this other offer from Allstate. How much you paying? You know, the phone call. How much you paying for insurance? Blah, blah, blah. I can lower your at least 50%. But you don't really want to change insurance company for whatever reason. Here's what you do. Call your current insurance company and tell them the situation. Okay, look, I'm working from home now. My car been parked for a month. I don't have no reason to even start it up and go. The store, Quick Trip right across the street, and Kroger's and the grocery store right across. I can walk there, so I have no reason to drive. Why the hell my insurance still high? And plus, I just got an offer from Allstate saying they're going to charge me this much. Okay, ma'am, can I put you on hold right quick? They come back, they're going to match whatever, such and such. You could be lying. In fact, I encourage you to lie. Just lie. Make up a freaking number. Who the hell cares? Get your insurance lowered if you're not doing as much driving. All right? They're not going to tell you to call them and ask for a lower rate because you're not doing as much driving as you used to. All right? You, who's that? Bill Cosby. Have to do that on your own. All right? Call them and tell them, man, she work from home now. She stay in the office all day. She don't have no reason to fire the car. Why the freaking insurance still so high? So do yourself a favor. It's worth a shot. Will it work? Yes. Because there are some laws put in place to where they're supposed to do it automatically. But a lot of them are not because there's a loophole in it. Okay. You have to demand. And again, if you threaten any company with to potential of you leaving them to a competitor, last thing, they much rather hear, I'm canceling my insurance. Why? Because I just rather drive with no insurance. I'll take my chances. Oh, okay. They much rather hear that than you say, I'm canceling my insurance. Why? Because Allstate say they can save me 50%. Oh, hell, we'll do that. Okay. But what about when I said, I just don't want no insurance? The hell with it. I take my shit. You wasn't raising hell then. Now that I call out Allstate, you want to jump on board. Competition is what needed in American society. Okay. Without competition, nothing will never get lowered. Okay. Yes. So that's why you see Lowe's and Home Depot right across the street from each other. That competition, man, who got the lowest same thing? Because however that stuff in there, it's the same. Who got the lowest same thing? All right. You know, you got McDonald's right here and Burger King right here. Who got the lowest freaking hamburger with cheese and a large order supersized fries? Who do I hear $2? Do I hear $1? Do I hear 50 cents for a freaking hamburger? We'll do it. Just come here. Just come here. My point is, try it. All right, let's get back to this freaking article. All right, I don't know how I got there. There is not a single state in the United States where you are allowed to drive without car insurance. Really? I thought there was a few still out there. Okay. What happens when you don't have car insurance? That's pretty obvious, right? So we're not going to talk about that. I will tell you this. If you're caught driving without car insurance, your first fine probably won't be less than $100. Do we really want to take that chance? Because you could have an accident, and that is more dangerous than, a fine or a ticket. It's also likely that your license will be suspended. Right. Who wants to go through that? If you're a mechanic, you have to have a driving license. I've seen guys get laid off or fired because they driving license got suspended. And the company do these random driving license check where they always check. And if something come back, yeah, you gone, man. In some states, your vehicle can also be impounded after you've been pulled over. Damn, they don't even want you to continue driving. You can't even go home after they stop you for no insurance. Repeated offenders or getting into a severe accident without insurance can also put you behind bars. Even if you only get into a minor accident, they don't care. They want you to have insurance. It's the law. It's a good idea to renew your car insurance early. Now, why is that? Some drivers unknowingly drive without insurance simply because they forgot to renew their policy. Oh, I get it. I get it. And that's doable. That happened. That's the thing. Because I don't know when mine expire. Right? Yeah, I have no idea when my insurance expires. So in fact, I'm gonna check when I get off of here. Here I am trying to show y'all how to do stuff. Okay. Many auto insurance companies will also give you a discount for renewing your policy early. So that's one of the reasons you should go early with it, I guess. In Allstate's case, you'll save 10% off your monthly premium if you sign up a week in advance. Most auto insurance companies also offer you a discounted rate if you pay your premium semi-annually instead of monthly. So you can save money by renewing a week early as well as paying for it in a year, paying the complete yearly policy. You can save money in both ways. Other ways to save money on car insurance include, just like your insurance premium will rise after an accident, having a clean driving record will save you money. I have 0 points, guys. Here in Georgia, we use the point system. Okay, so many companies like Progressive allow drivers to participate in telematic-based driving programs for insurance discount. You choose to enroll, yeah, you can save money because your driving record clean. All right, those are a few things you need to be aware of as far as saving money between, what is the difference? Why is this ad won't go away? What is the difference between, here I am complaining about ads, and I wish y'all would not watch my ads. What is the difference between liability? We all know this, right? Rocks, you all right, Rocks? You with us so far? Do you know the difference between liability, collision, comprehensive, and full coverage car insurance? Ladies and gentlemen, on my minivan and my PT Cruiser, this is me. I just care about the guy that I hit. All right, I don't really care about my car. Okay, so you know what I'm saying. If you totaled my car, well, go find me another PT Cruiser to get back and forth to work. No big deal. $200 or $300. Okay. So I ain't that kind of guy. Some of you big money boys out there, ooh. And you know what's weird? It's not much more to go ahead and get full coverage on your vehicle. All right. So yeah, crunch some numbers, man. See what would suit you best. Choosing auto insurance is not an easy process. It's fairly easy. You go with the lowest prices that I used to think the bigger the name, the better the insurance policy. Like Allstate name's pretty big, right? Progressive. But from what I'm hearing, that's not always the case. While a few may find it tempting not to carry insurance, it's not a very good idea for many reasons. Most don't want to get insurance because of the cost. However, if you are involved in an accident, the cost can be significantly higher than your regular monthly payment. Yeah, we understand that. All right, guys. So I hope I clarified liability car insurance. That's me. That's me right there, dog. That's all me. Okay. Yeah. I really don't. Progressive reports that liability insurance protect you if you're legally responsible for the injuries or property damage in a car accident. That's the part. Liability is mandatory. Okay. And I think underneath all of that, they're going to put some comprehensive or some uninsured motors on it as well. All right. So when my car got stolen, my van had my tools in it. I only had liability. The insurance company laughed at me like, why the hell are you calling us? You know damn well you ain't got nothing but liability on this thing, JT. Don't call us with this foolishness. I said, oh, okay. I thought I was supposed to call y'all anyway, see if there's something y'all can do. No, don't call us, but let us know when you find it. Okay, just call us back when they find it. Shoo, go away now. Go away. All right. Yeah, so collision car insurance. I'm not a car insurance expert, guys. I just figured this would be a good topic to speak on. Full coverage insurance. That's you big money, you Rocks Rolls and all of them. Y'all got all that money out there. So that ain't me. That ain't me. As far as the full coverage. All right, I'm done with that. Woo, got that off my chest. Where on earth did I leave off, guys? I'm at the 54-minute mark. Yeah, so y'all know the drill. I got to fly through these, baby, the CVT to make it last. Baby it, and it will make it last. That's what I'm talking about. It's not fluff or build it for you. How to make If it lasts forever, just leave it parked. Oh, stop, really. It's not funny, man. Wants to lower engine temperature. Once you lower the engine transmission, okay, he talking about that. Yeah. Make sure all the bolts are off. Okay. Yeah. Did you see the front bushings? I looked at all of them. They had some cracks in them, but not really worth replacing. I wasn't about to fight with that right now. I told her, girl, you got at least 20,000 more miles on this. They was trying to upsell. You know how them guys at Nissan is. Them fluffy Mexicanic is. You can't, they all right. They cool people, but guys, I would never knock another shop. You never hear me say they don't know what the hell they talking about, or knock another video like some of these mechanics do. There's some YouTube mechanics out there that would jump on another YouTube mechanic video and criticize it. I can't fathom myself doing that, whether I sense that you right or wrong. That's your video. Who am I to go over there and tell you, man, you don't know what the hell you talking about? But people seem to do me like that all the time. And I ain't got used to it. I chuckle at it now, man. Yes, I looked at the whole thing. It's not time to do it, Fluff. Some things you just shouldn't use aftermarket on, like transmission fluid. I did. I went with and filters. We always use Chrysler Motorcraft. Motorcrafts is Ford. Never any issue with those. I agree with you. I've been thinking again. I ended up getting the specific fluid that Nissan take. That's not an old car. That's a 2015. So I wanted to stay as OEM as possible. Yes, there are some fluid out there, so-called compatible for the CVT transmission. I didn't want to put it in her car. Have we used it? In fact, we use Valvoline red fluid as our drain and refill for the 9-speed transmission. So, you can't get all that fluid out. So we essentially mixing, I want to say at least 5 quarts still in that trans after we drain it. We going back in with 5 quart of red transmission fluid that's compatible with the 9-speed transmission. So if you're one of those conscious guys that, no, I want the best and only the best, you got to make an effort to tell these companies, because there's no way they can make a profit with a $99 coupon drain and refill. The fluid costs that. So they must be using some cheap fluid, right? To make a profit off a $99 coupon drain and refill, the parts have to be extremely cheap. No company is in business to lose money. They're not going to lose money. If they may not make as much off of it, but they damn sure don't want to lose money. In fact, some companies would rather break even and risk that they can upsell you on some other stuff, but they're not going to lose money. So best believe you get a coupon for $99 transmission service. It's not OEM fluid. I don't want to spend too much time on that. Yeah. So I'm at the 1 hour mark, guys, for your CVT fluid video. I haven't changed it yet. I haven't uploaded the one where I changed it yet. It's the same as the Jeeps. No big deal, but I'm going to really dramatize that. Make your CVT last forever. Ever? Yes. I'm poor and a widow. I like saving money. Rocks. Saving money is a good thing, my friend. Okay. I could adhere to that. Some of those tools from box stores have great warranty and cost little. Right? Exactly, man. If the only inconvenience you'll put at when you're dealing with non-pro tools is you got to go get the tool, if the place right down the street, you might want to take a trip anyway. A lot of these companies charge because of convenience. We'll come to you. We got the damn truck. Yeah, so I can live with going right back up to AutoZone and getting another tool. Wait a minute. Yeah, I gotta get through this. I love the Harbor Freight 3-ton jack. It is worth the cash. Jack stands not so much. Okay, Bruce Leroy, that's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. Miss Fives. Okay, you see me do LCAs like they going out of style. My Mustang has a fuel pressure sensor on the fuel rail. Really? Changed it out not too long ago. Bruce, what year is your Mustang? When they start doing that? Mustang is Ford, right? Ford got a leg up on us. Wait a minute, man. We started, Ruly still in here. I think we started using such a sensor in 2017 on the Pacifica, the minivan, the new style minivan. Not the Dodge Grand Caravan or nothing like that. The Pacifica. It's the first time I seen one. My man Bruce said Mustang, I wonder what year You talking about? Bruce, you still in here? Let me know what year that is. Nissan has fuel pressure sensor on our direct injector engine. Okay, so companies are starting to implement that thing. I want to believe pretty much all of them had the same scare or fear that that thing could rupture and cause a fire. And you're talking about major recalls and lawsuits and all that. So none of them did. So what I want to know, who was the first one that jumped out there and said, all right, enough of this foolishness. We'll be the first to try it. And then everybody else just jumped on the bandwagon. That's what I'm curious to know. I'm going to do some research and find that out. And I'm going to tell everybody who stepped out on faith and started using a fuel pressure sensor. All right, because I'm curious. Have you used HP tuners before? Yes, at All Park Garage. Okay, that's where we do all that high performance tuning and all that crap. The other shop I work out of, it's a high performance shop. Jimmy Vaughn over there. Easy knows that since he's Infinity. Check compression. We talking about that misfire? Yes, it is compression time. How can it talk to you or message? I'll pay for your time. Look in the description of any video. That is ways to contact me. Doing Monday through Friday or whatever business time. Read the description. There are ways on there to contact me. You have to leave a number too. So, and state on there if you want me to text or call back. Either way, some people rather me text back. I had a guy, went through the motion, did what he's supposed to do, and he put text me here. So we back and forth on a text message. You know what I'm saying? Until he finally figured out that he had no choice. Guys, let me save you a little. Some cases you may not have a choice but to go to a place with a decent scan tool. I will not hold that back from you. I will let you know that if it's the case. We will exhaust all other possibilities first. If this is in fact a DIY thing, you can pull off, because everything you will not be able to pull off, guys. Even if I'm talking and explaining to you what's wrong or what you need to do, there's a chance you still will not be able to pull that off. You got to be a realist. You got to understand, okay, I just can't do this. Like, I think I can fix everything, even in my house. I went up there to try to do some roofing. Like, oh, wait a minute, I can't do this. What? Call the damn roofer. Like, we men, we think we can do any damn thing, fix any damn thing that's broke. Right? I get it. But at the end of the day, you got to be real. You got to be a realist. I can't do this. Okay. Everything is not DIY. How did I get on that? AZ. Found this channel after searching for hacks on 5 trying spark plug issue. Mr. Bluestone, thanks for stopping by, man. You're on a live stream. I only do this for an hour, and right now I'm at an hour, so I'm winding this down. Okay. So, let me get through this and see lights come on if emissions related or engine damaging. Okay. Hey, JT, good to see you. Ed Pinkaliski. Finally blew up the differential on the PTGT. Differential? It's all the factory axles can. Oh, wow. Ed. Oh, my goodness. Ed. What? Now what? What's your next step, Ed? If we are in a panic for an answer, we know we can get one almost instantly by following the procedure. But his truck won't start sometime. You talking about the guy with the truck? He just spent $1,300. They put a fuel pump on it. Guys, all no starts are not fuel pump. All right, hear me out. And hear me out real close. I'm gonna make this a hashtag short video. So let me prep this. Hashtag freaking short. Hear me out, guys, real quick. You got a problem, you got a complaint. Your car will not start sometime. It feels like, or it sounds like you're not getting any fuel pressure. What do? Grab a can of carburetor, you spray in the intake, it fires up. Bam! You automatically think you need a fuel pump. Guys, I'll be the first to tell you that is not always the case, okay? Yes, even though you sprayed fuel down in your intake and it fired up, that does not 100% mean you need a fuel pump, guys. You could easily not be getting power supply or ground to that fuel pump. So it doesn't matter if you put a new fuel pump on it. If you do not correct the issue of no power going to that fuel pump, you will be in the same boat you in with the no start. So please check your power supply and ground that goes to that fuel pump. All right, it's real easy to do. Pull the connect off, turn the key on. If you're getting 12 volts and ground, that fuel pump should be running. If you get 12 volts in ground, plug it back up, and that fuel pump is not running, easy peasy, easy does it. Yes, it's an internal fuel pump problem. There you have it. Get your new fuel pump then. But if you're not getting power supply in the ground, you have some more work to do in finding that problem out. All right, that's all I have, man. Hashtag freaking short. Got that out the way. So sorry I'm late. Ken, yeah, you're very late. We're about to end the stream, but I appreciate you jumping on. And while you're here, thumbs up the video, man. Guys, I got to run this down. Breaking in the engine is easy. Run it at 2K. Oh, let me read this. Breaking in the engine is easy. Run it at 2K for 30 minutes, change the oil, repeat 2 more times, and then baby it for the next 5K miles. Ed, obviously been there and know that's what I'm talking about. Bro, I always sit the caliber on the control arm. Go read them damn comments. Who is this? Bruce, go read the freaking comments. I'm the lowest scumbag on earth for taking this caliber and just set it on top of the control arm. A dip control arm. It just sets like this. Those guys are telling me that damn caliber somehow can magically come out of that dip and fall. Bro, and one guy told me, good luck being a mediocre mechanic. I'm like, what does that mean? Why am I mediocre? Because I don't. Bruce, yeah, man, it's rough out there, Bruce. You got to have thick skin, man. Collision Tech here, so maybe I can verify. Ken, thanks for jumping on, Ken. I appreciate that, Mr. Collision Tech. That's what's up. What's up, SL PC boys? How are you? I am what? Solankin. What does that mean, man? I don't know what that means. I barely can pronounce it, but I appreciate you. I don't care what you am. We are one as a human race, I guess. Is that the proper thing to say? But I appreciate you jumping on, man. 2011 36 won't even roll off unless you hit the gas. 2011 got a nice, sophisticated piece of machinery equipment called a PCM that you have to get into and find out, especially what code it is. I'm sure that computer can tell you what code it is, my guy. Please promote, brother. SLPC boys. What do you do, man? I see you subscribe to my channel. All right. SLPC boys. Guys, I'm going to do this, and then I'm getting out of here. I want to know what this guy's all about. All right? Y'all see what I'm saying? Or do y'all see what I'm saying? All right. Where's my freaking search board? What did I say? SLPC boys. And then I'm promised I'm out of here. No, PCBOYS. Did I do that right? Yeah, my man. SLPC boys. Why am I not subscribed to you? Maybe because I just met you. All right, let's see what kind of videos SL up to. What you do, man? 1 million dance cover. Oh, your name signals. I thought you was like really into PCs, computers. Okay. Well, at any rate, when I get some free time, we coming back over here. But for now, I'm about to do one of these numbers right here, guys. So my man put out something. I know what he's up to. I got to keep an eye on my competitors, guys. They be trying to sneak in, do stuff, put up videos and don't tell nobody. Do it Thursday. Do it Thursday, Bruce. If I do it Thursday, you gonna jump on. It has to be Sunday, Bruce. Thursday, I'm super crazy mode. It has to be on Sunday. So I'm gonna put the poll out Thursday or Wednesday, and we'll do it Sunday. So fire up your camera, get you some good. You ain't got to go buy no mic and all that webcam. Just whatever you got, make it work. We're gonna meet and greet. What's up, dog? How you doing, man? What you do for a living? State, your city, and your state, the city you claim, or state wherever the hell you from. What you do? What's popping? All right, cool. Nice to meet you, man. Move on to the next. And meet and greet. So yeah, we got to do that hopefully on a Sunday, man. People don't pay attention. I've had people ask me where stuff is in the store, and I'm wearing a fire department shirt. Who is this? Upside down. Be nice, man. Well, yeah, you're right. Saranko. No, I don't know that. Who is that? Sunday. Yes, let's do it Sunday. All right, y'all gotta promise me y'all gonna participate though. All right, JT Mopar, but drive a Nissan. Man, I haven't drove my mini Nissan in a while. It's in the garage with a bunch of junk on it. Wait, you said next time you go home? Yes. No, I have family down there. I have in-laws down there and my daughter from down there. So I don't know. Whenever yeah, we got to make something happen, man. All right. We'll figure something out. Let me figure something out first, and then we'll chop it up. It's hard body, fluffy. Yeah, it's a hard body truck. It should have the dual plug engine. I don't know what's under the hood. All right. My ex was Hispanic and white. Needless to say, I learned all the bad words. Right. You know, just telling me stuff. Yo, JT Holmes, go over there and say this to the girl right there, man. She would love you forever. And I go over there and say the stuff he taught me, and I get smacked. What the hell you smack me for? Don't talk to me like that. Then I go back to my homie. Yo, man, what did I just say? So I don't trust my homies, you know, my Hispanic homies. Yeah, I don't trust them anymore. I can't. So Fluffy, you got to teach me some of that upside down. That's crazy, man. Hey, my mama in here. What up? I don't want to say JT got a hard body dart. No, man, it's truck. Oh, she from She in Nashville. My mama is in. That's 2 hours away. Why you come by the house? Ain't nobody here. So you wouldn't have got up in here because yeah, ain't nobody in here. I don't know what they doing. They in Jamaica somewhere. Yeah, I didn't want to get in the airplane, and I'm glad I didn't, because y'all, they told me that plane shook all the way, just bumpy ride. I would have had a freaking fit if I was on that plane for 2 hours and it's doing one of these numbers the whole way. The whole way. You give me one bump, I'm about to go up there and slap the driver. JT Bree, my dude. Yeah, I'm cool, man. I gotta go, man. They were cool little trucks. That's what they were called. Yeah, hard body. Listen to my son from Nashville. Thank you, mommy. Get home safe. Yes. What on earth are you doing in Nashville? I'm sure you're singing, but yeah, get home safe. My HVAC keep tripping and checking the light on. What's the code, my friend? That has an HVAC module that will trigger fault code when problems arise. I encourage you to lie. Make up a number. JT 2022. State Farm won't do that, but they are pretty reasonable, and I have the no drop clause on my policy. That's what's up, Dar man. All right, remember. Yes, I didn't. Not one time did I cuss. Y'all didn't hear me cuss not one time, did y'all? No. My mama said, stop all that foolishness. Stop letting people get to me. So that's the problem I had, okay? Yes, I have thick skin, but sometimes you can, I ain't no killer, but don't push me. Don't test me. All right? So, yeah, it can get to one of those. So I have to hoosah. Hoosah. No, that's the wrong key. B, A flat, like my mama. Give me an A flat. Hoosah. I ain't sure that's A flat, but we're going to go with that. You know any good transmission shops? No, I do not. There's no such thing. No, let me tell you this. Sherry. Ooh, Sherry. Sherry got the little thing on there, so she's a subscriber, y'all. Sherry, here's the thing about the new age transmission shops. They have by default been converted to R&R shops, okay? Hardly anybody, except for a few, Fluffy them all over there in Texas. Yeah, they still trying to build stuff, but hardly any shop nowadays repairing transmission. The typical transmission now go anything internal problem wrong with it. Mostly all shops are replacing it. So I'm gonna say it like this, Sherry. If you go to your typical, what's the transmission shop name? Amco. Let's say you go to Amco. You get an estimate for, they check it out. They go through the motion because they're going to go through the motion. They automatically know or automatically in their head when they pull your disc, the fluid burnt. Transmission. They're not going to try to fit because there's too much liability and it's hard to get parts to do a complete successful overhaul. Yes, it can be done. I was the transmission man. I rebuilt transmission constantly, daily, successfully. But now some of those same parts that I was using not available anymore. And the fact that the warranty is so much better, you get a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty on a 62 TE. Why bother trying to fix that? You're only going to get a 12/12 warranty on repairs. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, it makes no sense to try to build it. So, Sherry, it's a matter of, depending on your problem, it's a matter of you choosing now who has the lowest price, who can offer the lowest price for the transmission as well as labor. Okay. So the days of fixing transmission is going away, man. Nobody want to. We don't even do it. I got somebody at Brothers Motors. Can y'all fix my transmission? Wait a minute, you got an internal problem. I need internal tools, parts that we can't internally get. So yeah, I don't know, man. It's crazy now. My first no insurance fine. Whoa, but they waived it when I showed my insurance in court both times. Yeah, well, yeah, you got to prove you had it on the same date. I used to play those games in Texas. My first no, but yeah. So in Texas, after 2 no insurance tickets, your license is suspended. Rightfully so. It should be. You have no business riding around with no freaking insurance. That's crazy, risky. Well, at least several years ago, that's how it was. Yeah, I used to live in Texas. My auto insurance auto renews. That's what's up. We pay monthly and it's good for 6 months. Oh, 6 months. Yeah, those 6 months will sneak up on you quick. My mom almost got killed after some guy with no insurance T-boned her. What happens to the guy? Nothing. He spent the week in jail. We saw him at Pizza Hut the following week. Damn, he out already? Ooh, yeah, they supposed to throw the book at him, man. You ain't supposed to have him riding around with no insurance. We have public insurance and man, I can't pronounce that, but other options, we are stuck with what they offer. Interesting. All right. Yes, Rocks. I can't remember what I asked you, but your answer is yes. Where are you at in Georgia? My van broke down in McDonald, Georgia, need transmission work and at Pep Boys. You know what? I talked to you earlier. Well, you asked that question on the stream. I think what I ended up asking you was my typical return questions. What was the code? I think you went so far and tell me the code. And I asked you what you subscribe. I see this box, this play box by your name, which signifies you are subscribed. Let me tell you this, Sharon. Okay, yes, I did see your comments on some of the videos. Those codes, P0898 or something like that, those are internal codes, Sharon. There is no shop in this state going to try and repair that. P09, it means something about front pump, the low pressure front pump reading. And this is a van with a 62T in it. Nobody's going to try to repair that. So, yes, I read your comment. I dissected it and everything. Those 2 codes you gave me, you would definitely get an estimate on replacing this transmission. And just say you brought it to our dealer. Yeah, we're going to go through the motion, check the code, smell the fluid. Some cases test drive it, but you're going to get an estimate for replacing it. Okay. Not too many people. Yeah, they're not fixing that stuff anymore. I'm so sorry. And that's going to be quite expensive. But the good news is you're going to get a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty if it's a Mopar transmission. And that will give you peace of mind as to where you shouldn't have no more transmission problems, at least for 100,000 miles. I mean, you're not going to own the van in the next 100,000 miles unless you plan on keeping it. But my point is, in fact, you comment on a lot of videos. Any shop you go to going to give you an estimate on replacing it. All right. I'm so sorry. You don't need transmission work. You're going to end up needing a transmission. Those are internal codes, which most shops, it's at Pep Boys, and definitely Pep Boys. I ain't sure you want Pep Boys trying to fix it. Yes, anybody can replace it, but trying to make a repair on internal transmission problems by a shop such as Pep Boys. And guys, you got to keep in mind, it's not so much of the name of the facility that's the problem. It's the actual guy that's working on it. Like, let's say, for instance, if I get a job at Pep Boys, y'all know my skill level. Can you keep saying, don't take your car to Pep Boys? They don't have nobody in there worth a quarter. No, they just hired a skilled mechanic. So it's not so much of the name, the facility that will be the problem. It's the individual. Okay. Even the dealership that happens to them at times because it depends on who the job is dispatched to will reflect the outcome of this repair. But customers don't know that. When they leave with a bad taste in their mouth, they saying Mark Spain Chrysler Jeep tore my car. They're not saying that mechanic Mike Jones, he jacked my car up. No, they're gonna call out the whole company. So I can't sit here and say Pep Boys don't know what they're doing. They could actually have a guy, trained guy, badass, just super tech in there that know what he's doing. Yeah, you're gonna get an estimate for a unit. I'm sorry. I have full boat loaded deductible and extended warranty on the minivan. Oh my goodness, I'm at an hour and a half. That's what's up, Rocks. Good for you. Stay safe, okay? A PT Cruiser for $200-300. Find me one, I'll drive that. Hey, watch your mouth, man. Mr. Bluestone, cut it out. You better be glad my mama in here. I will cuss you out. I will cuss you to boy. You better be glad my mama listen. Don't talk about the PT Cruiser, man. I don't play that. You have gone too far. I just had to leave Geico and go with Progressive due to it being 10. Ouch. I don't know what mine is. I need to look into that. Most insurance companies lowball your initial price. They got you, sucker. And then they start slowly raising it up between car payment and insurance payment. I pay 40% of my monthly income. I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't know how to dissect that. But interesting. Rocks Rose. Also, what year and model was a Nissan? Some go out pretty quick. You'll see in my videos, I tap the bushings and it would shoot out. Really? I gotta get some more. You upload so much, man. Sometimes I'll be catching you on the fly. Like I put my phone, fluffy, upload another one. I try to hit play. I try to comment because, guys, I told y'all comments move algorithm. So if it ain't nothing but a picture of a thumbs up, just try to do that. I got to get better with that. Uncle Mark be uploading videos. I watch them, but I need to say something because that matters. All right, everybody that upload videos, all right, just merely watching them, yes, he get a play out of that, but it'd be best if he get a thumbs up and a comment. No matter what the comment is, just say freaking, what up, Unc? Yeah, I got to get back on my game with doing that. My computer, my laptop stay on my desk, and I just scroll through a bunch of videos watching them, but I got to find time to sit out here housing around the cost. All right, guys, stop it. I got to go. All right, it's 30. All right, buddy. U.S. workload. What's up, my friend? I ain't winding down. Hit that like button. Y'all heard what Michael J has said. Bruce, 05 months later, son. Damn, on the 05? Fuel pressure sensor. Y'all heard what Bruce said? I don't know. Interesting. The new Nissan have a sport mode. Okay. No, I didn't. Yes, and that button's been around for a while. Okay. But why hide it? They hide in sport mode. They don't want nobody to know. What y'all trying to hide over there, Fluff? I can fix it. Darkman said he can fix it. Pentastar time and chain roll. Now all valves stuck open. Whoa! Not good. Hey, we got to chop it up on a different video, man. I got to end this stream when the engine lights start flashing. Probably time to park. It is. All right. Misfire live. $5,700 for Chrysler Town. Damn! Woo! How do I dissect this down? Typical R&R for a transmission on the van, 8 hours. Let's assume this place Pep Boys charge, I don't know, let's say $100 an hour. Keep it simple. That's $800 right off the bat. So is it safe to say the transmission itself costs $4,600 or $4,000? Let's say labor $1,700. Does the transmission cost $4,000? I don't know. There's a lot of markup going on when a shop such as Pep Boys have to go get a transmission from, say, a dealer. Okay. So what happens now, or what you're faced with now, is crunching some numbers as far as, I think you say this was like a 2012 model. If you're in love with your van, go for it. Okay. I mean, it's a sentimental thing to some people, but that is quite a bit. Again, I'll just, let's say $2,000 in labor. Okay. That means $3,700. I don't know if a transmission costs that much. I don't know. But $5,700 is a lot of money. Interesting. You know what? When I get to work tomorrow, I want to know what a 62 TE costs. I mean, because that transmission would fit a lot of makes and models, so it don't even matter if it's a van or not. What do a new reman? These are not even new transmission. These are reconditioned transmission. Damn, Sherry, you got some decisions to make. Flashing engine light means in party mode. I don't know. Check fuel pump power with the load on wire as well. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. I see. Good point. Yes, That makes damn good sense. Headlight bulb. Yeah, like a load test. Yes, damn good sense. I was in party mode, you know, I almost didn't make it. Guys, I told y'all I gotta get out of here. Why y'all still coming? Mine hit party mode. Okay, I don't know what party mode is. I'm skipping this party stuff. You missed the one about blowing up the differential in the PT of 482 wheels. The diff lasted 8 days, but I had some fun picking up on the big boys while they lasted. Ed, you wow. Okay, this is too many comments. I cannot read all of these. Guys, I'm at the 1 hour and 20. I am not Fluffy Mexicanic. I do not live stream for 2 freaking hours. I can't. I got other stuff to do, man. Yeah, I'm at the bottom. I just went all the way to the bottom. So those that I missed, I apologize. I'm gonna get these last 3 at the bottom. I see Sherry saying something, so I'm gonna attend to Sherry. And I gotta go, guys. Okay. No codes, JT29. Let me say van won't even roll off unless you hit the gas. It's gotta be some codes. There's gotta be, and this was 2011. That's the year they had the fuel pump problems. Okay, with the tip and all that. So you getting fuel pressure? This is 2011. All right. We got to chop it up on a different video. All right, guys. I'm ending this with this last Sherry comment. Most Pep Boys up the price. Yeah, man. 300%. It got to, man. Yeah, I'm going to be on the phone early morning, and it's a 2014, but math ain't adding up. Wow. I hope you get that worked out, man. That's what's up, Fluff. Okay, let me highlight this. Good night, kid. Rocks, thanks for jumping on, Rocks. I appreciate it. Take care, JT. Y'all see this? Make sure y'all tune in. I'm sure he's gonna put out some previews leading up to that. But giveaway. I know y'all like stuff. Y'all some of the most giving away is y'all love giveaway stuff. Fluffy, I think he's celebrating 20K subscribers or something like that. Make sure we tune in to my man live stream Tuesday. Like I say, I'm sure he's gonna post. Now I even might post a reminder for y'all as well. But we're gonna be with Fluffy Tuesday night, whatever time. He'll let us know. All right. Love your videos. Thank you, Chris. Guys, Chris Miani. I hope I pronounced it right. Thank you, my friend. Guys, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.